Good morning, guys. Aalis kami ngayon ni baby. Punta kami sa kanyang lolo at lola. Yes, we're going out, my love. Ang ganda ng tulog niya, oh. Hindi siya natutulog sa crib niya. Dito siya natutulog sa aming higaan. Tinatransfer ko siya pa about 4 a.m. to 5. Kasi gusto niya yung warm ko, guys. Hinahanap niya yung mainit na. It's a nice weather, babe. We're here at Nana. We're here at Granddad. Yeah? We're having a sun. May araw pero malamig. Ganda ng tulog ng aming panggi. Yeah? Daddy is busy. And Granddad.
Yeah, then. See, you don't even use that sleep suit, do you?
Yeah, I thought you're not gonna buy it.
Which road does he sleep?
Oh, the head is there.
Yeah, because you don't want sun in his eyes.
Yeah.
Sun's there, so.
That's so it's okay there so can still see this. Wow! This is a nice video. Yeah, you're having a sunshine. Huh? First time sunshine outside the world. First time sunshine outside the world, but it's still cold. Yeah.
There you go. Oh yeah. Did you have the milk spots or something?
Yeah.
Just see what's it when she comes.
Well, that's it. She'll probably tell you to strip him off anyway. Yeah.
Yeah.
2 hours ago. I. You like the sunshine?
Looks like he's. Is he chewing his? No, he's not. Is he? No, he's not.
No, he's
Just,
always covering his
Yeah,
his,
it's just there,
yeah.
innit?
and his legs always like that or up in the air.
Yeah.
Sean called him a frog.
A frog.
Yeah, it's like a frog. And
But if you want to take him outside, you can put him in that outside.
Well, it's a bit bloody cold, isn't it?
To wrap him up.
It's okay because there's a nice sun here. It's warm.
Wrap him.
It's warm enough here. Warm enough.
Do you want a drink?
No, I'm okay. Maybe you can look at my lip
Oh,
balm because my
is
lips
this some lip balm upstairs?
Right, Vaseline.
Vaseline, yeah, yeah.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah.
Magpa-araw mo na si baby. First time niya magpa-araw since nakalabas kami. Do you like the sun, huh? You need feeding na? What time is it now?
20 past 11.
We feed him like 9:30, right? So it's still okay 2 hours. Mapag akong lips.
It's them, that.
Bye, Daddy! Ganda ng araw pero sobrang lamig sa labas. Kaya buti na lang maganda yung view nila dito sa bintana. Bye! Hindi niyo siya nakikita si Sean. Nasa loob na. Sobrang saya ko kasi simula nung lumabas kami dito sa hospital, ngayon pa nagpakita ngayon pa may araw, tapos sobrang warm dito sa loob. Pero pag nasa labas ka, sobrang lamig ng hangin. Ito na si Daddy B. Namumula na siya, oh. Kain mo na, ha? It's time to feed. You can back to sleep after. Yeah. It's time to feeding. Yung aking lips, guys, lagyan ko siya ng Vaseline kasi ako naging sobrang dry. Nagsobrang dry. Daddy is back. Parang madala siyang cars pasty. Yeah! Yan. Tapos yung isa, ang sarap ng tulog. Oh, nagkapagpa-araw. Yeah, I feed him and then back her in the window.
Fast over.
Sun's yan is sometimes only, so
Eh?
the sun is only sometimes. He enjoyed it.
That's Winderman then.
Yeah, I saw that they're cleaning the window.
Has he cleaned windows?
Not yet.
He's not been here.
No.
Well, he'll be due here.
Yeah, not yet. It's still there. Being Martis.
Yeah, how is he? Is he?
Sleeping?
He's always sleeping, isn't
Yeah. I fed him earlier and then back to sleep.
he? You fed him earlier,
Yeah.
so he's had a feed then.
Yeah. Mommy, we're gonna eat pasty. Yeah? Look at you. Fresh na ang baby ni mommy. Yeah. I'm fresh na, Daddy. Daddy, I'm fresh. Yes. Yes. Wow. Daddy, we're gonna kiss you later again. Yeah?
Uy, madudong. Ay. Ay, palo, oh. Alo.
Uy,
Nanudab.
hello! Ay,
Ay,
ano ba ito?
Diyan si Malo.
Uy,
Lalag.
Ala.
Cry man mo. Uman kay de, cry man ka. What happened?
oh,
What happened kay de?
uy, ay, tuyog, mata na luluwa na.
Amo naman kasi ng bata, ang mga pirmi man tuyot,
Ay,
magbaligaon kung sila magbali.
Amo pa may katuyog
Ay,
pagkaron
what
kay
happened?
kung ibutang sa eja crib maghadya tagbutang ko diri duha na ka oras tuyog street.
Do. Kaya mo siya papamatusab.
Sagdi, makaida man ko doon kuan.
Amo pa may
Buta.
katuyog.
Kay. Ano nga yan ni Damo daon kay edisyon?
Cade,
Ha?
Cade, basahon Cade.
Kid.
Kids yun.
Ako kay di man.
Kay,
Hello!
kay di ko na kabi.
Labig ali na ali. Uy,
Grabe na ra ba kachismoso
ali
kay
na.
ya pa mag-iska si mana gani magmagkaon ako makabaho siya maghadya. Mala? At
Ano baro?
uy,
Tagubuan.
uy mala oh.
Imo dan bala sila bugko to naman butangan tagkikilid konsidera isa. Kuanon muskitiruhan mo daan na bisin baligya daw mo daan na kuan sa pambata.
Saan ang cream? Butang na ko sa pagduyok.
Matignay.
Butang na ko sa pagduyok. Kasi siya matuyog. Diyan na ko nagdakos sa
Ay, kalami man na tuyog. La, katuyog na kan mo soleg. Kaninsi mo, kabudyan. Dili sa kumpara hadya. Bisan, gamay ra gani siya, pero libtog. Pagbidaan, wala ba?
Isa lang makahigop ako ng sabaw.
Ayaw to signal. Ina.
Oh. Sabutong.
Nahain na.
Kura ka tayo. Matawag lang
Pag
ko ng mata.
natin mo.
Also then click into them pieces there. Daddy is busy. And granddad.
He's what?
You're both busy.